Okay. Okay, so funny story. I already completed this measure today, but I checked the recording, and it did the one thing to where it only recorded my mic, and that sucked.
The last transmission from the captain's dropship was from the area. That was over 12 hours ago, and I'll come pick you up.
What's up with that? And I'm like, no, I can't really do that to these guys again.
Dropship Victor 9, Pillar of Waterway. Assistance. We are under attack by some new kind of puppet that isn't Covenant. Captain Keyes has been captured by hostages. Dug in at a large structure in a swamp. Out. I'll send this message to repeat at intervals. Dropship Victor 933, clear.
Alright, let's do this again.
This way, this way.
Yo, bus jockey.
Dropship Victor 9.
Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. I did not notice that last time. You don't actually get to see the guys.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't see the guys shooting them. And this creepy shit happens. I'm gonna speedrun this. Just wanna go on with my day. I did way worse than fuck. Never mind then. Oh, that was a headshot. I also didn't notice that last time either. Why that noise? Yeah.
You're not turning me into one of those things! I'll blow your brains out! Get away from me! Ah! Ah! Don't touch me, you freaks! I won't be like you, I'll die first! Find your own hiding place, the monsters are everywhere! Play dead! That's what I did! Play dead! They took the live ones! Oh god, I can still hear them! Monsters! Ah! 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 Just leave me alone! Mendoza, and Sandy. Oh God, the things took them away. They're gone. Get it? Gone. They won't get me. Oh God. Oh God, I don't want to be like them, please. Please no. Please no.
I didn't listen to the full thing last time, I just killed him. That was funny. Nice. Whoa.
Why do we always have to listen to this old stuff, Sarge?
Watch your mouth, son. This stuff is your history. It should remind you grunts what we're fighting to protect.
Hey, if the Covenant want to wipe out this particular part of my history, that's fine by me.
Yeah, better it than us.
You ask them real nice next time you see him, Vicente. I'm sure they'll be happy to oblige.
LZ looks clear. I'm bringing us down.
Go, go, go! Stay close, Jenkins. Mendoza, move it up! Wait here for the captain and his squad, then get your ass inside.
Sir!
Okay, let's move!
Which is weird, right? I mean, look at it. Something scrambled the insides.
What's that? Plasma scoring?
Really, how they
I don't
introduce
know.
the flood is
Maybe there was an accident,
really
you know,
fucking
friendly
good.
fire or something?
What do we have, Sergeant?
Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite units. All KIA.
Real pretty. Friend of yours?
Nah, we just met.
Right, well, let's get this door open.
I'll try, sir. But it looks like these Covenant worked pretty hard to lock it down.
Just do it, son.
Yes, sir. I got a bad feeling about this.
Boy, you always got a bad feeling about something.
Sarge, can you hear me?
What's going on, soldier?
We've got contact. Lots of them. But
Boy.
they're not Covenant. They're just tearing through us. What the fuck? No!
Corporal, do you copy? Over. Mendoza, get your ass back up to second squad's position and find out what the hell is going on.
But-
I don't have time for your lip, soldier. I gave you an order.
Sarge! Listen!
What is that?
Where's that coming from,
Everywhere.
Mendoza?
I don't... There! Mira!
Hold still! Hold still! Let him have it! Sergeant, we're surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapon!
There are too many,
Don't
Sarge!
even think about it, Marine.
Oh, this is local!
Back here, Marine!
Jenkins!
Damn. Big guys. Oh, they do get up. Yoink. Oh shit. How did that explode? Oh, what? Where's that door? Gross, man. That guy's still alive. Sneaky, sneaky. Let's go. really quiet. It's supposed to be like tall, like I have a voice in my head or something like. What do I do here? Like again, hold up. I thought somebody hit me, or attempted to hit me. Oh, you mother. You shall be punished. Shit. Shit. And they're under me.
Sir, thank God you're here. We've been lost out here for hours. After we lost contact with the rest of the mission, we headed for the RV point, and then these things, they ambushed us. We gotta get out of here.
There's a large tower a few hundred meters from your current position. Find a way above the fog and foliage canopy, and I can move in and pick you up.
I had to do it, man. I'm so scared. He didn't want to be turned into one of them. It was a mercy kill. Think about it.
Over there.
If I didn't do it,
My fault.
he would have got him. He would have been a monster guy.
I'm getting clear.
Dude, you know,
Firing. Sorry. Who's with me? I'll find the bastard. All clear.
what do you mean? Oh, big guy.
Dead. You need more ammo.
Oh, you guys made it. You guys aren't dead. Y'all died last time.
I'm hit. Not sticking around with you. I'm out of here. You're dead. They almost got me. You're dead. Don't stop shooting it.
Stay next to me, man. Dude. Dude.
Keep it up! Oh, Dios! I saw this one move!
Shoot him.
Back me up! Covering fire!
Yeah, at least I got one guy alive this time. Whoa, let's go.
Greetings.
New
I am the
worker.
monitor of
Below
Installation
30
04.
seconds.
I am 343 Guilty
So
Spot.
fucking good.
Someone has released the flood. My function is to prevent it from leaving this installation, but I require your assistance. Come, this way.
I'm so good. You know I'm so
Your
good.
signal. Where'd you go?
Because I'm so good that I never had a girlfriend in my life. That's how good I am. I am peak virgin. Let's go. The fucking best. Oh, that shit. Library. Books. No. You can't do this to me.
We must collect the index before we can activate the installation.
Yeah, I'll do this later. I don't know why you're watching this video. Get the fuck out of here.